Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Hackathon question number 7, which is Alex wants to be a faster typist and he's taking a typing test to find out which key takes the longest time to press. Given the results of the test, determine which key takes the longest time to press. For example, they are given the key times, which is an array. Interpret each key times I0 as an encoded character in the range ASCII A to Z. That means in this array, the first each value represents the alphabet which we are pressing in the keyboard. Here it is A to Z, so that is ranges from 0 to 25. The second element represents the time the key is pressed since the start of the test. How much time it takes. That means if you are finding the difference between 2 and 5, it takes this much of time like that. The start time for first key is 0 minus 2 obviously, because initially there is no time. That means 2 minus 0 is 2 for A, and for this one represents B. B takes 3 seconds, and when we consider again A, we consider it takes 4 seconds. Again we consider this is 2, so that means it is C. C means then it is 6. So 6 seconds is IO. So C takes more time when compared to other key. Here they given the example and explained it ABAC, which is 0102, which is ABAC, and they are splitted as this timings, and they are given the difference. Based on the difference, they are finding out that C takes more time when compared to other keys. Function description: complete the function slowest key in the editor below. Function must be written a character, the slowest key that Alex presses. Yeah, that is a question. They are given the constraints for n value and the key times of 0 as well as 1. They are given for 0 is less than 25, and for 1 they are given 10 power 8. It is guaranteed that there will only be one key with the worst time. Input format for custom testing. They are given the sample input. Here they find out that A takes more time when compared to other keys. This is our question. We have to find which is worst performance of key. Here they given only one key which will be worst performance. That means if it is 6 is greater, which is complex and which takes more time for press, then no A and C will be with a 6. Only one key will be having that 6. So that kind of question this is a function slowest key. Here key times is, we are given this is input. We see that this is as input. Here first we are converting the first value, that means zeroth position of each one. That means zeroth position of each one we are converting it to character, because that is a character. We are representing it to 0 to 25. So we are first converting it, and we are keep it as such as which is in the position 1. And just I'm printing key times after this conversion, just for showing what is happening. And I'm giving longest key is none, and longest duration is I consider as none. Initially we are giving the length of the key times, and if I equal to 0, then I will give start equal to 0. Otherwise we have to minus that one. That means for first key there is no time. The start position at starting time is 0. That's why the starting time is 0. Otherwise we have to minus the I minus 1 of 1th position. That is our start time. End time will be 8th position. Obviously, if we consider the start position as I minus 1, then it will be minus 1. There is no value for key times of minus 1 of 1. So that is wrong. That's why we are splitted as if part and else part. For end, there is only 1. That is key times of I of 1. Then character key times of I 0. Then interval, if we minus these 2, then it will be interval. We are checking for that. We have to find the longest duration. Until we are finding the longest duration, this function will execute, and at last we return the longest key. That means the longest interval key will be assigned to the longest key that will be returned. That is simple. Here we are given the R value and C value. R value is number of rows and number of columns we are given, and we are inputting this list. Here we are inputting this list. Then after that we are calling that function and we are printing it. If you want, we can give it as such, but we have to get from the user. Always we are using like that. So just I'm giving this as an input. It gives A1, A3, E5. That means 4 is E. 5 means F and 4 means again E. If we consider the first one takes 1 minus 0, so first one takes 1 second. If we consider the second A takes 2 seconds, and this one contains 2 seconds. Again, if we consider this one, F takes only 1 second, and if we consider this both, then it takes 4 seconds. 4 seconds is maximum when compared to others, so E takes more time though. So E is the slowest key when compared to others. Longest time takes to press. So the answer is E. I will run it and show you. Totally 5 rows and 5 rows because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we consider the column, only 2 columns, because in each row it has only 2 columns. We have to type the values 0 and 1, then 0 and 3, then 4 and 5, 5 and 6, 4 and 10. It gives E as the output. It works perfect. I will give this input to my value. So I'm just copying for comment. Here there is a 4 rows and 2 columns. So again I am running it again. That is 4 rows and 2 columns. I will give the input 0, 2, 5, 0, 9, it works great. The answer is C. It returns correctly because 9 and 15 differences 6, which is higher when compared to others. It works perfect. This is the answer. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.